Hello friends, welcome back to me You Draw channel. Today we are going to draw Candy Cat, a character from the cartoon Peppa Pig. Get your paper and pen ready and let's draw together. First, let's draw a big circle. This will be Candy Cat's cute face. Now let's add a warm winter hat. Draw a curved line on top, then connect the sides to make it round. Don't forget the fluffy ball on top of the hat. Next, draw two big round eyes, a little triangle nose in the middle, and a happy smiling mouth. Add two round rosy cheeks to make her look even cuter. Let's draw a scarf around her neck. Draw a rectangle under the chin, then add some stripes to make it cozy and warm. Time for the arms. Draw two arms stretching out to the sides, and don't forget the lovely heart-shaped gloves. Now let's draw the winter coat. Draw a shape like an upside-down trapezoid, and add a few round buttons on the front. Next, draw her little legs, and add a pair of boots for winter walks. Finally, let's color.